Peugeot 2008. Okay, so this is actually a Continental left-hand drive, and the bonnet is driver's side. It's in the door well. It's very big. It's not hidden at all. You heard the click. Come round to the front. So there's the badge. Come up the badge. Off to the left of the badge. Leftmost finger there next to my thumb. That's on a lever that's attached to the bonnet. And I got to lift it up towards the bonnet. Here's the bonnet clip. Clip there. I do a lot of these, and this is one of the least obvious. Your fingers have got to get under there and push there. There's not much of a gap. So how do we close the bonnet? Well, the official way is to drop the bonnet from about 9 inches or 20 centimeters. And this is quite a heavy bonnet, so this should close easy. And you heard that clang. Now I double check, I can't move that. That doesn't want to move. That's well closed. I'm happy that's closed. Always double check you've closed your bonnet properly. Otherwise there's a risk it will fly up when you're driving.